Today, we're covering 3 critical mistakes that could lead to your YouTube channel being banned. These might not be as commonly known, but they're crucial to avoid. Let's dive in. First, posting dangerous or harmful challenges can get your channel banned. YouTube has strict policies against content that promotes dangerous stunts or challenges that could result in harm to viewers. Even if a challenge seems harmless or trendy, if it has the potential to cause injury or distress, it can result in severe consequences for your channel. Second, engaging in fake engagement tactics is a big no-no. This includes artificially inflating your views, likes, or comments through paid services or other manipulative methods. YouTube's algorithms are designed to detect such practices, and getting caught can lead to your channel being banned. Always aim for organic growth and genuine engagement with your audience. Finally, using automated systems to spam or over-promote your content can lead to a ban. This includes excessive use of bots to post links in comments or forums, or repeatedly posting the same content across multiple channels or communities. Such practices can be flagged as spam by YouTube, resulting in your channel facing penalties or being banned. To sum up, avoid posting dangerous challenges, engaging in fake engagement tactics, and using spammy promotional methods to keep your channel safe. If you found this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Have any questions or experiences to share? Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.